So there we are back in good old Europe. Here's number one. I love it. Very, very short. Extremely short. Size of a van. The back of a van. It's a Great West. Only 3 were made, and this is one of them. Love it. So short and small. A full bed at the back. A bed up there. A big shower. That will be for next time. The visit is only for next time. This time it's just the interior. And here is baby number 2. Wow. I love it. Also have it since 2000. Best built truck camper, Bigfoot, on a 1500. Yes, on a 1500. Never had a problem. And not only a 1500, but a 1500 short bed. Okay, extra springs, extra this, extra that, extra reinforcement to the frame. That's it. But for all the naysayers, I also have a 1-ton C30 old Chevy with a long bed, and I also carry it on that one. So you see, in here in Europe, you don't see those. They may seem easy for you guys, but here, not easy, I mean usual. But here's the crap we have to deal with. This type of shit. Sorry for the language. I'm sorry. I didn't say that. Forgot to be polite. Yeah, look at that. Who wants that? Not me in any case. There we go. Next time we go inside. Much better inside than outside.